Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I am sure you are very happy to be in Gurgaon. Delhi and Gurgaon were getting rains since last 2-3 days, but God knew that the superstars of DSF are coming to Delhi, so no turbulence, no rain. Welcome you all to Gurgaon. It is very heartening to see when Anurag sir asked that how many people have visited Gurgaon, and 80% people didn't see HO and didn't see Gurgaon. I'm sure your experience in Gurgaon is to be great, and we pray from God that you get the best of life when you are here with us, and when you go back as winners. So a big applause for your own self. Before we conclude today's evening, I would like to thank Max Life for giving us a platform, a chance to be together and celebrate this win. Warm applause to Max Life. Thanks to our CEO and to the CDO. And I must tell you, before I take the name of DSF head, this idea of doing a separate platform as DSF Conclave was the baby and the vision of Mr. Anurag Gupta. It wouldn't have been possible for us to do this great show if this idea wouldn't have conceived at one of the meetings being held in head office. So Anurag sir, thanks to you, and a round of applause for the man who made it possible for you. I must extend my all thanks to all the qualifiers and their families. I will to say proud families behind your parents, your siblings, your better halves and your kids. When you go back, please tell them that DSF and Max Line is proud of you and your families. A big applause for your families. A very special thanks to our guru, Himanshu. Himanshu are there? Okay. A big round of applause for Himanshu, who helped us to do this conclave. We also welcome Abdul. Abdul, warm wishes and welcome to you in DSF Conclave. We have Aman Mehta from YBL. Thank you, Aman, for being in the show tonight. We have Vijay Chaudhary. Thank you, Vijay, who heads the HR function for DSF. We move to Pushpinder Singhal. He's tired standing here since so long. I'm busy eating and drinking water now. Thank you, Pushpinder, for all the support to make this platform happen. Let's move to Mr. Anil Kumar Kala, who is the priority head. Thanks, Anil, for being so kind. Thank you, Deepak, for always being a great support and making it possible with a big smile whenever you are in the show. Thank you. Let's move to the new DSF enablement head. For him, he itself is a Prarambh qualifier for DSF enablement. Thank you, Vineet, for qualifying Prarambh now. You can stand and take applause. Thank you, Mandir, for gracing the show. I'm sure you are keeping well now. Thank you so much for reaching. I must extend my thanks to Hotel Hyatt Regency. Thank you for Hotel Hyatt for organizing and helping Max Life to do a successful show today. Thank you so much, as always, Nishant and Sumit, our event partners, event aboard. Thank you. I must call upon you, Alisha. Why don't you come here, Aisha? Guys, Aisha has been with us since long. She has been doing a lot of shows with us in India and out of India. This time we happened to see the other face of Aisha, which was a happiness coach and a trainer, apart from being MC. Thank you. It was a very, very energetic show and I really liked it. Thank you and God
Thank
bless
you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thanks to you, thanks to Mr. Anurag, thanks to Rohit for helping me curate this session so well, and for giving me this opportunity to meet the very energetic new champions of DSF. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Asha. You bring a lot of energy to the table. Thank you. Then I want to thank you. I want to thank the band which has still not performed but will perform. I'm sure many of you are surprised कि एक इतनी बड़ी ढोलक और एक इतना बड़ा ऑर्केस्ट्रा का सेट लगा हुआ है. Word of thanks हो गया, किसी ने बजाया नहीं. So there is a band for you all guys. who will entertain you, and the band name is Darling Boys. So the Darling Boys are going to come and perform the band post I finish the vote of thanks. Last time when I was in Colombo giving vote of thanks, I pronounced Jyotsna to Jyotika. So Jyotika, please come over here. My apologies for naming you wrong in Colombo. So I said Jyotika, Jyotika, Jyotika. Jyotika, I hope it's clear. So thank you, Jyotika, for helping and stitching the entire event for us. The man of the evening, as always, Rohit Kumar Singh, who doesn't sleep 10 days before the event and 10 days after the event. Why 10 days before? Because he knows there is an event coming. Until the time he sleeps, there is a next event coming. So basically he doesn't sleep. To make us all happy, your all travel arrangements, the show, the stage, the hotel, everything is managed end to end by Rohit Kumar Singh. So round of applause for Rohit. Rohit, why don't you come here? So this yellow tie does it all. A big round of applause. So with this, I again thank you all the qualifiers for making it to head office to Gurgaon. Your tomorrow's day is going to be very, very exciting because tomorrow you will see the head office of Max Live from where the show runs. So I'm waiting for this excitement to be seen on your faces tomorrow. And now we end this evening, and when we end this evening, something new begins. And what new begins is your bar, which is waiting for you all to go and have a drink and enjoy yourself. And then this band, the Darling Boys, are going to come and be the darling of the evening. With this, we close the event and we begin the drinks. You can all proceed behind for drinks and for your snacks. Thank you. Good evening to you all.